GG guys! Guys, thank you sa mananood guys. Bukas ulit, bukas ulit. Bye guys. Good night guys, good night. Bukas ulit guys, bukas ulit. Uy, uy, uy.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was. Huh?
Bruh.
Guys, yun lang. Live na ako guys. Live na ako guys. Live na ako. Sorry, sorry. Live na ako guys. Ilang isa pa sa TikTok.
Hindi ako dalawa sure. Tingin, tingin.
Uy, gawin nag-winter. Pinahamak. Pinahamak.
Hindi mo ako maglakad sa katot niya. Napatiwakal. Napatikol. Eh, pwede ko pasok dyan.
Ay, coach, sorry. Kala ko bisa. Nice, coach, coach. Ano rate mo sa akin, coach? Yung mga mali ko din.
Ang gagaling, coach. Ano ka?
Coach, grabe maglaro.
8 over
8 over 10, mababa.
Medyo maasim eh.
Guys, hindi na kami. Thank you sa mga nanonood, guys.
Guys, bukas ulit.
Bye-bye.
Hindi na, kapares mami na.
Kapares na kami, guys. Kapares. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you sa mga nanonood. Bigyan ng bembang theory si Prof. Mamaya tignan natin guys. Try ko. Bye-bye, guys.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
What the fuck?